This is number 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs won. Mamelodi Sundowns won. First round here, MTN 8. How do you feel about the game,
The game was good.
Yeah.
Kenekitu made it too much
Yeah.
after we scoring one goal. But we are playing too much defensive. I don't know why I copy. And then what we doing there?
Yeah.
No, yana sekisiboni.
Yeah.
Risimola retsamikisa the defenders. We are not attacking.
Yes.
Hey.
Yeah.
Harkas dira seo hore re attack. Risimola game for bofatsi. Game ya kopito re winner and then we are taking the cup.
Yeah, give only defender, le goalkeeper. They were starting the game from behind, and the mistake in most of the time, these are more.
These are more because we are too much at the back.
At the back,
Ne?
yeah, you
Hey,
can't pass, yeah.
let's go forward. And then harka go pele.
Yeah.
We otla to win that game. But harna di attacking midfielder.
Yeah.
Hey, retenya di defending midfielder and the back line.
Yes,
And then retenya di 3
Yeah.
strikers.
Don't you think, or maybe coach na dira kamkho because of he wanted a clean sheet today?
No, this is a 3 games I say dirayalo. And then the games they are bolaya.
Yeah.
Hey, taren ko pele re ska dula ko morago.
Yeah.
Hey,
No.
go win the games.
No, thank you very much.
But for the performance, I'm happy.
Yeah, you are happy, ne?
I'm happy but not happy because we are defending.
You are half happy.
Hey, I'm half happy. Let's not defending. Aren't copied. Hey.
Attack.
Hey. And then if you are looking for both position,
Yeah.
bari beater because Rubit's come around. Bari copy.
No, all the best next round, eh?
Okay, thank you very much. And Epitori, Siaya, Siokora 1. Maybe Wakora 2, Siokora 2.
Yeah.
And Masketa Kora 2.
Yeah.
And then Sia win.
Exactly.
Because of what?
Away goal rule.
Away goal rule.
All the best.
Okay, thank you. I'm a cozy for life.
Cozy for life.